A warm welcome to Ulwazini Zindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like. And if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. Thank you. So guys, siyambona uMacele ukuthi she is well invested empilweni yaMakhwela Samge, the fifth wife of uMusamseleko and the youngest of them all. Siyakhumbula musukuthi kungasekudala uMakhwela gave birth to umfana wokuqala naMusamseleko, their baby girl, and nje from lapho uMacele has been very cooperative and ubonakala nje unelithando leli genuine towards uMakhwela, because siyakhumbula mose nalesikhathi la khona kwabane family vacation and then uMacele nje wadihlehlisa kuyo and decided to go and spend time with uSamge, athi ufuna kumate kangcono amfunze kangcono nje. And then nayo Samge sesimbonile post on several occasions la khona sekhala Macele, even during iphasika nje bebabonke baspenda isikhathi bonke. So uMacele nje hayi uzenenye ukhombisa lithando man towards ugirl, and then labanye abantu bayasho ukuthi hayi nedinga lo yenta lokuthi ufana nalabanye beva naye lobuhlungu lowabuva when baqala le relationship yabo yesithembu, since yena she is the first wife. So labanye bathi nje hayi need uyashow off nje ufuna kuvisela labanye ubuhlungu, and then other people are saying ukuthi no man, genuine lo make nje uyamthanza kulo kuMakhwela. And someone also said ukuthi nje uMacele nakabona uSamge ngibona a younger version of herself, since banema similarities lathizeni. And in a recent video siyambona uMacele is spending quality time with the daughter of wife number 5 uMakhwela. And then nje uMacele is showing lithando support towards uMakhwela, especially her being a first time a mother. So nje uMacele seems to be at peace ever since the arrival of wife number 5. Uphumile nje ukuthi into letiningi letinemsindo, wehlisile nemsindo nje. And then people are saying ukuthi uthenga amehlo ebandvu, eventually she's going to get tired of pretending. And then labanye bayasho ukuthi cha phela guys, learn to appreciate info lenhle. uMacele genuinely loves uMakhwela and they have a very healthy relationship. Yes, they may not be my best friends, kodwa nje i-relationship yabo, it is a green flag. You are welcome into the comment section to share your views. Thank you.